Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Kirk, with this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. Now today we talk about, is it too late for you guys to still make a YouTube channel in 2020? So there's two mindsets to this. On one side you got harder, which means impossible. On the other side, it's harder, but that means it's still possible. But if we look at the definition of harder, it means done with a great deal of effort. So the question earlier was, is it too late to start YouTube in 2020? And I have one thing to say about that. That all depends on you. Are you willing to put every effort, sweat, bones, and tears into your channel, into your livelihood of your passion? Are you passionate enough? Have you found your why, or are you still trying to find your why? Not passion for YouTube, but the why for your life. The thing that fuels you to do everything you do in your life. Use that to fuel yourself every inch of the way through, every inch that you have to traverse to get to your why, to make it a possibility. So what's your why? That's the biggest question. Haven't found it yet? Try new things. Try things that gets you to drive towards somewhere you want to be in life, and then it'll find you, like film has found me. It's the most invigorating thing to do in your life when you find it and you do it constantly. It makes you feel content yet driven. It's passion in its purest form. It's the fire within. But if you guys already have found it, please comment them down below. I'm really intrigued in it. And it's like the biggest thing I ever want to talk about whenever I meet someone new. I just want to talk about their passions, my passions, and then where they want to be in life. It's just the best conversations comes from those. So make the best out of your why, and don't forget to like and subscribe and dream on.